guys, stop using that paper flags. This time make this kind of flags for your school project, right? Come, I'll show you how to make it within 2 minutes. Just count the time. So obviously we required white, saffron and Tricolour yarn. So without wasting time, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 chain, right? 8, make 1 extra because we are going to skip 1 chain, and the second chain we're going to do double crochet. Again the third one double crochet, fourth one wrap the yarn, double crochet. Okay, turn all over, double crochet, insert another yarn. Now nobody will going to tell you the hook. Without cutting this loop, you just insert this and pull it tightly, the green yarn. Okay, now secure it, turn it at the back, make 1 and 2 chain by default. Okay, wrap the yarn from the second loop, make the double crochet. So the same time you could cut the paper, and within the same time you can make a craft crochet flag. Check this out for more videos. Jio Crochet this year celebrate Independence Day with Jio Crochet. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe and leave your comments. I hope you understood how to insert the yarn from the loop, right? Pull this and bottom one tightly and secure with 1 chain, right, and 2 chain. Wrap this yarn, go from this loop, take this out, and this is the final round. Let's see within the promised time I could complete or no, last one. Yes, and finish it off. Cut the yarn. Instead of inserting this here in this chain, you could do from the lower bottom. It's give you a finishing look. Nobody is going to tell you this hack. I'm telling you, stay with me. Look, it's look straight, a finishing look. Same way, insert this at the side so it's done so nice, just like a pro. Okay, now look straight, do not go, just stay. Guys, tell me which one is your fabric, in my left hand side or the right one. Okay, for here I put a pulse with the chakra, and here is the chakra. So how to make the chakra, that just see now, and you could do on your own. Wrap the yarn around your fingers, take it out, make a loop of it, and now here, thus the way you make the magic ring, the same way you need to make the chakra. 1 single crochet, another 2 3 4 5 and 6. So you need to make all around. So you may make how many spokes are there in Ashoka Chakra, the same way you could do it. Pull the smaller yarn, the shorter one, pull it little bit off, and then again just fill this circle with single crochet. Yeah, I hope you understand this, and this is absolutely for the beginners. Okay, if you like this, please comment and subscribe my channel. So at the end is your chakra, right? Like, yeah, which one you may add this ball chakra, or you go to attach this chakra. So which one is looking nice with this, just comment. Okay, thanks for watching. Celebrate and remember Jio Crochet. Thank you.